Salatu ala Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa sallim. A'udhu billahi samil alim minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Our viewers cut across the globe, wherever you are, we are greeting you as usual. With me is a mirror, and then there's a spiritual diagram. We call it Musallasi. So, under it, they've written Washa Sumba Kullu Kalmi Wadu. If you are interested, if you want charisma, natural charisma, you want people to like you in total, or you want a marriage. If you are a male, you want a marriage, women don't like you. If you are a woman, male don't like you, and vice versa. And if you are going to an embassy, or if you are a businessman, or a business enterprise, or a tycoon, anything about charisma you want people to like you, or if you want money from someone, you write this thing. When you write it, then you get this perfume. The first one, the name is Dangoma, Dangoma. The second one is six flowers, six flowers. The third one is the wealth, that's the yellow one. And the small one is Aisha, Aisha. When I finish, I'll demonstrate them. Then you take it and wash the glass, the mirror. After washing, then you pour some inside the pomade, and then you'll be rubbing or be smelling. And then the rest of this one, then you'll be shaking it and be putting it on your dresses if you are going to get a visa or a job, or you are traveling, or you are going to the market. But fear God in using it. So we are going to demonstrate these things to you. They don't use water in washing it, but they only use this one. And the rest of it, you leave small to be rubbing your shirt and your dresses. So these are the perfumes. That's the first one. This is the second one. That's the one. This is six flowers. And the last one is Aisha. This is the last one, Aisha.